Creating a water filter to filter lake water. Natural water is found throughout the entire world. However, as it is natural water, it comes with many different elements, organisms, and bacteria, making it not safe to drink most of the time. Today, we have filters combined with science and technology to create a safe way to drink water. These filters are created in labs and factories to ensure safe water throughout the world. However, as not everyone in the world has access to these solutions, a question is raised. To what extent can a simple homemade filter make natural water drinkable? To answer this question, certain aspects of the water after filtration, must be analyzed. These aspects include the amount of rust, the turbidity, and the pH level, microorganisms, and the lead content. We tested the water from Lake Texoma, a natural water source. Lake Texoma is one of the largest reservoirs in the United States with an 89,000-acre area. Animal life near the area includes bass, catfish, and freshwater frogs. The lake is about 1,000 feet in depth with a fluctuation of 5 to 8 feet per year. The lake clarity is moderate to clear, meaning the turbidity of the lake is generally low to moderate. The lake is not abundant in aquatic plant life, but is mainly fish and other reptiles. We will start off with some vocabulary. NTU, or nephelometric turbidity unit, is a unit of turbidity which measures the transparency of water. pH, or power of hydrogen, measures how acidic a solution is. A contaminant is a polluting substance that makes something impure. Drinkable water is a water type that meets the EPA standards for water.
Rust forms through the process of oxidation. Rainwater dissolves this and runs off into nearby watersheds or aquifers. Lead is a metal that is harmful to organisms. Lead can cause brain damage, delay physically and mentally, and damage to organs. Turbidity is a measure of the degree to which the water loses its transparency due to the presence of suspended particles. This affects the water since the higher the turbidity, the more suspended particles in the water, making the water dirtier. We created a filter to remove these contaminants to make the lake water drinkable. The water filter is built of 1 liter soda bottle, 3 coffee filters, 60.8 grams of activated charcoal, 316.1 grams of pebbles. We constructed the filter by first emptying a 1 liter soda bottle and cutting the top open. Next, we put 3 coffee filters inside the bottom of the soda bottle. Then we poured 60.8 grams of activated charcoal over the coffee filters and poured the 316.6 grams of pebbles over the charcoal. The pebbles worked by filtering out large items such as sticks. The activated charcoal worked by absorbing the contaminants, and the coffee filter held back all of our materials and the contaminants from escaping the bottle and entering the filtered water.
We observed that the Lake Texoma water was very cloudy before testing it. We used these strips, which are from Generical and are FDA approved. We used the strips to test for rust, lead, and pH. And we eyeballed the water for turbidity. And we also used a microscope to look for microorganisms in the water. We did the same thing after we filtered the Lake Texoma water through our filter. We noticed afterward that the water was much clearer after it went through our water filter. Here is the data we collected from our test. It includes before filtering Lake Texoma and after filtering Lake Texoma, and also tap water, which was our control.
According to the data, the water from the lake was not considered to be very safe as the turbidity was 20 NTU. According to Lentech.com, the water should be no more than 5 NTU, making this water unsafe. The lead levels in the water also exceeded the recommended 10 milligrams per liter. After the water ran through the homemade filter, it became much more drinkable as its iron, lead, and turbidity significantly decreased. The amount of pH was below the ideal condition for water of 7, but was still drinkable. According to the data, the water filtered with our homemade filter is safe to drink, although it does not create the ideal drinking water, but meets the limits for safe drinking water and therefore is safe. As a group, we consider this a success.